Hi, my name is Greg Katikia, and I'm the director of the University of Pittsburgh Innovation Institute's Blast Furnace. We're a student startup accelerator. What is a student startup accelerator? We help students from undergraduate all the way through postdoc fulfill their entrepreneurial dreams. From taking their ideas all the way through to commercialization with space, funding, mentoring, coaching, and education. We're excited to be a part of the entrepreneurial spirit that's happening here on campus. Here at the Blast Furnace, students dedicate 6 to 10 hours a week of their time getting mentored, getting educated, and helping take their ideas to marketplace in a practical, hands-on educational method. We're very proud of what we've accomplished in just 1 year here at the Blast Furnace. But don't take my word for it. Listen to some of the students who have been through the Blast Furnace program just in the last 12 months.
The Blast Furnace created an environment that allowed us to get feedback on our product. Throughout the course, we focused on how we could improve our product and how we could make it more user-friendly, and that helped us immensely. It actually expedited our process and our developing, and it allowed us to get our beta product out a month early. And so we actually unleashed our beta to a few users in November during the second cohort, and since then we've accumulated nearly 1,000 meal reviews, and hopefully by the time you see this video, it's many, many more.
The great thing about the Blast Furnace is that it gives you a chance to step back from your idea and think about it in context. Do your customers actually like your idea? How does it fit in the market? Who else is doing something similar? How are you different from them? So kind of getting a chance to step back and answer these questions really kind of makes you see how your idea fits in the market and what the commercial potential of it is. So this was like one of the best things about the Blast Furnace that I found.
As a two-time graduate of the University of Pittsburgh and a lifelong serial entrepreneur, I know how valuable a program like the Blast Furnace would have been if I was an undergraduate through postdoc at the University of Pittsburgh, and I could have learned a lot more about how I could achieve my entrepreneurial dreams while a student here at Pitt. We do a lot of great things at the Blast Furnace, including running a demo day contest at the end, which we award this Blast Furnace Cup to the winning team. But win or lose, all the teams are guaranteed something. They're guaranteed an education in entrepreneurship, a lifelong learning adventure that they can use in any business, small or large, about what it means to take ownership and drive something into the marketplace. With your help as an alumni of the University of Pittsburgh through Engage Pitt, we can make a difference together in helping students achieve their entrepreneurial dreams. Thank you very much.